Dive into the world of goods and services tax, or GST, a value-added tax that's reshaping how consumers and businesses interact with the national tax system. It's a game changer, aiming to streamline complex tax structures and funnel revenue straight to the government. The perks of GST are noteworthy. It slashes the cascading effect of tax on tax, potentially lowering the cost of goods and services. Efficiency skyrockets as the tax collection process is simplified, and the economy could get a significant boost from a more business-friendly environment. Plus, GST shines a light on transparency, making it easier for consumers to see the taxes they're paying, and it smooths the path for businesses to stay tax compliant. But it's not all smooth sailing. Some goods and services might see a price hike, and small businesses could struggle with the complex transition. A heavy reliance on technology for GST compliance could leave less tech-savvy businesses behind. Critics also point out that GST may hit lower-income households harder, and businesses could face higher costs adapting their systems to this new tax regime. Despite these challenges, when GST is well implemented, it can lead to a more efficient tax system and increased tax revenues.